Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience. We're taking a look at BMO Harris Bank, specifically their website at www.bmoharris.com. Navigating a bank's website can be crucial for managing your finances, so let's explore what BMO Harris offers online. Their homepage provides access to various banking services, allowing customers to log into their accounts, find nearby branches and ATMs, explore different account options, and learn about loans and other financial products. The website appears to be designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring clear navigation menus and prominent calls to action. You can typically find sections for personal banking, business banking, and wealth management, catering to a diverse range of financial needs. Exploring these sections further will likely reveal details on checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, investment options, and other services BMO Harris provides. It's always a good idea to carefully review the terms and conditions associated with any financial product before committing. You should also look for information regarding fees, interest rates, and any other relevant details that can impact your financial decisions. While the website is a valuable resource, it's also wise to consider contacting BMO Harris directly for personalized advice and to address any specific questions you might have. Remember, making informed decisions is key to sound financial management. The site likely also includes resources such as financial calculators, educational materials, and contact information for customer support. Take your time exploring the site and utilize these resources to maximize your understanding of the services offered. Furthermore, look for security features and information regarding online safety to ensure your financial information is protected. Considering all these aspects can help you make the most of your banking experience with BMO Harris.